Welcome to Crack a Pack. My name is Andrew. Today we're cracking open The Brothers' War. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is an Arena promo card. Then we have a foil Diabolic Intent, which you can just barely tell in person. You can see it a little bit better on camera that it's foil. And we have a Scrap Trawler for our Retroframe artifact, which for 3 is an artifact creature that reads, whenever Scrap Trawler or another artifact you control is put into a graveyard from the battlefield, return to your hand target artifact in your graveyard with lesser mana value. So this is part of how you go infinite with artifacts. You have this on the battlefield, and you have a artifact sacrifice outlet, and you have at least one artifact in your graveyard, and you can start sacrificing artifacts to get other artifacts back, sacrificing them for mana, and then you're getting the other artifacts back, and then you sacrifice Scrap Trawler to get your original artifact back, and then you have ways of getting Scrap Trawler back out, or you have ways of copying it before it's sacrificed, and it just keeps going and going and going, and you have infinite mana. This obviously is very powerful in Commander in any format, and it is easy to abuse, and that's not a bad thing. I don't know what deck I'm going to build specifically for this, but I'm going to probably put together some sort of artifact deck that will use Scrap Trawler and try to go infinite, but I don't know if I have everything I need to make it go infinite yet. Might need to get a couple other specific pieces. We'll see. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite combo with Scrap Trawler is. Then we have a full art Brushland, which I absolutely love the full art lands, the dual lands in this set, showing this ravaged landscape here. Even that just looks beautiful, seeing the colors shifting through the clouds, seeing the smoke in the craters. It's a beautiful image of a devastated landscape. Then we have Combat Thresher, Mask of the Jade Crafter, Mishra Excavation Prodigy, Supply Drop, Desynchronize, Yotayan Medic, Mine Worker, Goblin Blast Runner, Overwhelming Remorse, Powerstone Engineer, Tomacool Scrapsmith, and Perimeter Patrol to round out the pack. And that's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow to crack open another pack.